Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this weekend my house was a little louder and a lot more fun. My niece and my nephew came around, and between cooking, running errands, we had so much fun and we made so many memories. I just had to share. So here is a day in my life, Auntie's edition. The day started in the kitchen. My nephew decided to help with the dishes while I made breakfast. Honestly, I think he just wanted to splash water everywhere. But let's be honest, he did very well. After breakfast, we headed out to restock a few things. And when we got home, their energy switched from running around to being glued to the screen. Trust me, they love playing games, especially on phone. Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, because it's away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit
time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, on an every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
Review time.
Yummy.
How does my food taste?
It's very delicious.
You like it?
Yes.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings